in today's episode we are going to Bergen. You see these cool houses in the background? That's UNESCO World Heritage right there. We're in the city of Bergen right now, which is the second largest city of Norway. It's based on the west coast. The largest city is Oslo, which is a little bit more east. But today we're going to take you with us.
I don't even know what I get in your head. Seeking your attention, but simple instead. Cause I hope you look my way, but no, you didn't even see me. Gazes a day, feeling every day like I'm going insane. Cause you and I are something I wish for every day.
Okay, so right now we're walking to the Vloeibanen, which is the cable track towards Mount Vloeien, and then I'll see you guys there.
Nobody to you, and it feels just like you want me to go now, but I hope you slow it down, cause what I really need is your time, so will you like me like that, just like that, like me like that, just like that, like me like that.
Right now we're on Mount Ulriken, which is one of two viewpoints. Oh yeah, we're on Mount Vloeien right now, which is one of two viewpoints here in Bergen. Ulriken is all the way up there somewhere, but check this out.
Like me like that, just like that, like me like that, like me like that.
Today's view is even better. We went up a little bit higher. There's a lot of tourists down there, but over here it's very quiet and you got an even better view of the city. So if you come to Mount Vloeien, I definitely recommend you to just walk up a few stairs and enjoy the view here.
Cause you and I are something I wish for every day. So I hope you look my way, but yeah, you didn't even see me. Gazes a day.
As you can see, a lot of these houses here in Norway are built out of wood, and that's because wood is a very common product here in Norway, so it's fairly cheap to build a house made of that material instead of stones. They don't have any hurricanes or whatsoever, so their houses don't need to be that strong. But if you ask me, a lot of houses look like they need a lot of maintenance. If the houses were made out of brick, everything would look a little bit more modern, I think. Alright, Bergen is known for its narrow alleyways and streets. This is one of them, check them out.
Just like that, just like that, like me like that, like me like that, just like that, slow it down, cause I know I am nobody to you, it feels just like you want me to go now, but I hope you slow it down,
Behind me is or something, I don't know how you say it, I'll spell it somewhere around here, and it's the city pond of Bergen. It's 700 meters in diameter, and it's the biggest pond here in the area, and it's also known as the Smalungeren.
just like that, like me like that, just like that.
That concludes our trip to Bergen. We're back at Bergen right now. Now we're going back to the parking spot, then back to our campsite. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll see you again next week, and until then, make love to the like button, kick that subscribe button, hit that bell button, and until next time, doei!
Like me like